got a stop sign and a right turn coming up here, so you want to trail brake in like this, and that's called trail braking. When you get your first bike, you're gonna want to just start taking parts off of it. Like, you don't really need this. What is that? This, who knows what that does. You got to choose a race line. Inside, outside, middle, 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 middle. Hey, get the fuck out of my lane, bro. What the fuck are you guys doing in my lane, bro? You got to pick the middle point and the apex to downshift. That's how you keep it steady. You got to keep that suspension guessing. Yeah. You guys want to see a sick, dopey, fresh rolling burnout? Check it out. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Why does that keep happening? Why does that keep happening to me? Moto vlogging is all about the audio. Can't really hear you breathing, so you want to get a nice mic setup where it's right there under your nose, right there where you exhale. That guy was riding a fucking horse. Did you see that? Me, I'm more badass. I got the iron horse right here. I got 75 of them horses. You hear that? I'm the fastest thing on this road right now. You hear that? That's third gear right there. Loud pipes save lives. You're going to want to cut off your exhaust or just remove it completely and go straight pipes. The only kind of emissions you're going to want to be worried about out here are your testosterone emissions, if you know what I mean. And that brings me to my next point. Pre-ride semen retention is very important. You're going to want to be on the edge here. Don't masturbate for a week before you go for a ride. That'll get you real pumped. There's some issues that come from that. And it's mostly your balls are going to be huge. They're going to be smacking up against the tank every time you come to a stop. So you're just going to want to not stop at all. You can't do this if you got little baby arms. Like, think about it. You're holding up this 500-pound motorcycle for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes at a time with no stops. 500 pounds. Think about that. You could probably barely lift your own arms up. You just want to stay right there where they can't see you. That's how you get your YouTube content. Stay right about here. Right here. They got no idea. She got no idea what's going on. Okay, trail braking. You want to drag the rear. Drag the rear real hard to the point where you can hear the tire giving out underneath you. Alright, we got a stop coming up right here. You're going to want to use trail braking on these stoplights here, and I'll demonstrate for you. A little trail braking. Trail braking takes a lot out of your tires. You want to hit the patch of gravel. If there's a gravel in the middle of a corner, you should aim for it. Just stare at it, and by riding over it, you'll disperse some of the gravel, and it won't be as dangerous next time. When you see something in the road, you want to take both hands and point at it, and just stare at it so that your buddies know it's there. You're gonna have to steer with your knees or using your arms as a sail, you know. But that's okay. You don't really need to turn that much. You're gonna want to follow me. You want to go inside, outside, just like this. Inside, outside. You look like you've been out here a while, right?
Thank you so much.
Good luck, man. What is it? You know?
Clutch cable.
It just snapped.
Yep.
I can't help. All right. Well, good luck, man.
Thanks.